A pandemic like COVID-19 has made us believe that our health and hygiene is extremely important. It is a priority to take care of ourselves and our families while we continue with the daily sales routines. As responsible citizens, we must always take complete precautions. Coca-Cola has launched the Coca-Cola Care program, which is dedicated to help not just us, but also our retailers to make safety and hygiene a part of our daily routines. This program will deeply benefit us and our retailers. For us, this will help us have safety-focused routines for our daily sales calls and will help us in building strong relationships with our customers, the retailers. For the retailer, helps them understand the benefits of having safety and hygiene in their daily routines, helps them grow their business with us. To help us ensure the safety of ourselves and the people around us, this program has a simple model, the CARE model. C. Caution at home. A. Action at work. R. Retailer interaction. E. Ensure cooler hygiene. Let us try and learn this model in our daily lives.
Good morning, Rajesh. How are you?
I'm doing well, sir.
Great. It is a very important day for us. Today we will learn and understand how can we make our daily routines safer and hygienic.
You are right, sir. It is important to maintain health and hygiene throughout the day to ensure not just our safety, but the safety of our family as well.
That is correct. Therefore, Coca-Cola has designed a program called the Coca-Cola Care Program to ensure that we, along with our retailers, make safety and hygiene our priority. Let us begin by understanding our daily routines. Your day begins when you leave for work from your home. And this is our first step, caution at home. At home, you need to check 3 things. Everyone in your family is healthy and does not have any COVID-19 symptoms. Everyone in your family is taking extra care of their surroundings so that they do not get in contact with a COVID-19 patient or a suspect. You and your family routinely monitor your health and hygiene. You and your family have installed the Arogya Setu app in your phone and regularly use the same.
Yes, sir. I will ensure this every day.
Another important thing to remember is to carry your complete safety kit. Sanitizer, mask, gloves, and other cleaning material in your bag.
Yes, sir. I assure you I will carry those.
Great. Now that you have taken all the safety measures at home, let's see what we must do when we go to work.
The first thing we do when we begin our day is a gate meeting. While most of the times, you conduct the meetings virtually or on telephone. What are some of the precautions we must take care of when we have to attend the gate meeting physically?
That is a great question. In a gate meeting or any physical gathering like an office, firstly, we must wash or sanitize our hands before the meetings and ensure that we are wearing masks and gloves. We must follow social distancing during the meeting and maintain a distance of 1 to 2 meters from each other. We must avoid touching any surface or anyone, and in case that happens, we must wash or sanitize our hands immediately.
You're right, sir. What all things should we take care in the market?
Since you will be in the market throughout the day, some things you must remember throughout the day. Regularly keep sanitizing your hands when you are in the market. You could also wash your hands with soap for 20 seconds at regular intervals. Ensure that you use your masks and gloves throughout the day and dispose the torn pieces properly in the dustbin and use new ones if required. Try not to touch your face. While coughing or sneezing, cover your face with your elbow. Be mindful of social distancing while entering an outlet and wait for your turn. Do not enter a crowded place or outlet. Avoid handshake or any physical touch. disinfect your vehicles every day and ensure that they are clean and safe. You must ensure that you follow this at all times, in the market, at distributor point and otherwise.
I have noted these 7 points, sir.
In the next part, we will see how should you interact with the retailer and what all information should you provide him. Hello sir, how are you? How is everyone at home? Is your staff keeping well?
Hi Satish, how are you? Everyone is doing well, but the business seems slow.
Since the pandemic of COVID-19 has hit us, the consumers have become very cautious and are concerned about the hygiene. If you would allow me 5 minutes, I could provide you some suggestions which you could apply in your outlet, which will help keep you, your staff and the consumers safe and hygienic.
That sounds great. Please suggest what should I do?
You must ensure that you maintain health and hygiene throughout the day. I will tell you 3 things which are very easy to remember through a very simple cell model. While opening the outlet, ensure these 3 S's. Ensure that you and your staff do not have any symptoms. Sanitize all high touch points in your shop. Provide masks and gloves to your staff. During the day, ensure these 5 E's. Ensure that you and everyone working in your shop is using masks and gloves throughout the day. Keep on sanitizing your hands at regular intervals and refrain from touching your face. Make more use of digital payment methods and try to avoid use of cash as it leads to more chances of infection. Ensure that your customers are following social distancing while shopping. You can make marks in front of your shop or request your customers for the same. Allow customers one by one in your shop. Display your products in a clean and hygienic manner. You may also put safety checklists for easy remembrance. While closing the outlet, ensure these 3 L's. At the end of the day, take all the garbage out and throw it in the bin. Sanitize your hands after that. And check if you have essential safety materials for the next day. Sanitize your shop again.
Wow, that's comprehensive and yet simple. While I'm doing most of the things, still the business is low right now.
Sir, I understand your concern. Today, the consumer behavior of purchasing has changed. They like to consume products at home as more people are now working from home. If you allow me 2 minutes, I can explain you how you can stock the right products to make better profits.
That sounds right. Please suggest.
Sir, you must stock products which sell faster and have higher stock rotation. Further, you must invest on products which can be consumed at home, because our consumers prefer to consume food and beverages at home. I suggest you should keep our 1 litre, 1.25 litre, 2 litre, 2.25 litre SKUs to have better profits.
You are right. I'll stock these products.
Sir, this brings me to the most important thing to ensure hygiene in your outlet.
What is it?
The Coca-Cola cooler is a high touch point, and that must be kept hygienic throughout the day. While our PSRs will help you do this, your staff must also have a habit of keeping the cooler hygienic. Sanitize the cooler from inside and outside. Keep a bottle of sanitizer near the cooler so that people use it before opening the cooler. The price and brand are properly displayed so that consumers can take their bottle without touching other bottles. You can also put a slip on the cooler that says, "I have been sanitized today."
I'm sure together we can fight this pandemic and keep our people safe and secure. Thank you for all the information you provided.
I'm sure you would have learnt a lot from that conversation, and you will communicate this to our retailers.
Sir, this was very comprehensive and I will ensure that all my retailers are trained.
There is one more thing that you must do before you can start this program.
What is that?
You must track and monitor the outlets in your territory. Make a list of outlets in your PJP and contact them over the call, or you can visit the shop. Stay in touch with the retailers over WhatsApp. Keep on sharing with them some safety tips. Give special attention to retailers in need and ensure that you are providing them with the support needed. I hope you are ready for this program.
Definitely. Let's make the business grow and keep ourselves and our families safe and secure.